When it comes to choosing a woman, it is important to keep in mind that different males have distinct preferences and tastes. Sigma males are more subdued than other males, and they're also very picky in their relationships with women. Lone wolves, as they are popularly known, are not scared to walk away from someone they believe is not right for them. Women who are unconfident and frail are not their ideal type. Instead, they prefer strong-willed women who will stick up for themselves. Every man desires a balanced relationship, and Sigma males are no exception. The first is an optimistic, unbeaten woman. Yes, one who smiles even in difficult circumstances, not a pessimist who blames others for everything that goes wrong. A Sigma male is drawn to a woman who can learn from her misjudgments and looks for ways to take action rather than just complain. A woman who sees the glass as half full rather than half empty because she does not dwell on the negative aspects of life. Composure is a quality that no man, not even a Sigma male, can resist. A woman who is not confrontational or boisterous. Sigma males are drawn to women who listen to their opinions rather than those who believe they know everything without questioning them. A woman who is unable to accept criticism or correction is not on the list of women preferred by a Sigma male. A Sigma male finds it difficult to respect a woman who cannot accept negative feedback in good conscience. A woman who always seeks advice from social media is not on a Sigma male's list. Despite being a lone wolf, a Sigma male will seek a woman who can retain an intellectual discussion with him. A well-spoken, graceful, and supportive woman with a thorough understanding of relevant issues is ideal for a Sigma male. Sigma males are not swayed solely by a woman's physical beauty. Far from it. They want to be with an intelligent lady who is similar to them. They will not compromise their standards. Another quality of a woman that attracts a Sigma male is her open-mindedness, free-spiritedness, and creativity. When a woman is not afraid of trying something new and is open to different points of view, she is the perfect match for a Sigma male. Sigma males enjoy being with women who appreciate beauty and enjoy every aspect of life. When dating a woman, the Sigma male considers whether she is an independent and strong woman. Yes, she must be self-sufficient because the Sigma male is not always available, and dependent women need the attention of their partners almost all the time. A Sigma male seeks a woman with their own life, career, and interests. They want a good woman who is self-sufficient and who comes up with her own ideas without relying on the validation of others. Sigma males prefer to be with nice and pleasant women. That should be no surprise. Because despite their quote-unquote flat exterior, Sigma males are not emotionless. This is why they prefer to date sincere and kind-hearted women. To summarize, they believe their women must be kind to themselves and others. They like their woman to respect everyone she meets, regardless of their social status. This is because the social structure has little meaning for the Sigma male. Furthermore, patience is a quality shared by their type of woman. Because he is different from other types of men, the woman must be patient and understanding with him. Sigma males prefer a woman who accepts them for who they are and does not try to change them. They simply cannot stand a woman who judges and criticizes them while actively comparing them to other types of men. They always want a woman who will compassionately be a friend first and understand that they are unique. A man must never do certain things in order to be respected by women. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss all the new videos that come out that are all just for you.